What's up, guys? Good morning. I have a little message to share with you here. How sometimes even YouTube can screw you over for some reason. I was having a problem this morning. I missed two big trades right out of the gates this morning. I was a little bit bummed out. Um, my feelings are kind of crazy. What happened with Kobe? On top of all of that, that kind of hit everybody. But the day before Kobe died, my aunt also passed away, and I'm just sharing this with you guys. I don't know, because I feel like it's probably not relevant, but I just want to say that life is sometimes a little short, and um, sometimes we chase things so hard and we forget to live. And this last weekend is being a little hard. Everybody is emotional for what's happened. On top of all of that, I was already a little emotional because I was able to spend a lot of time growing up with my aunt, and she passed the day before Kobe died. So we got news on Sunday about Kobe and the other people in the helicopter, and Saturday morning my aunt passed away. Yesterday was the burial, and it's been a little kind of like a crazy weekend stuff. But just want to say life is short. Live it and go for what you want, but don't forget to live, because sometimes we don't know when it's our time. We don't have a contract, and when it's time for us, we don't know. And oftentimes that day comes when you least expect it. So don't forget to live. Don't forget to live. So this morning I was paying attention to a couple of stocks. I had a watch list built up this morning. While I was trying to do the live stream, I run the live stream to one computer, which is this one here. And over there, this one next to me, I run the chat room on YouTube stream and the chat room on churchcolony.com, which is free, by the way. And I run it there. And YouTube was not allowing me to log in, and so I wasn't able to take the stream and put it on the side. So I was having problems, and I missed the trade on CBLI, and NNVC. Hold up, let me show you. NNVC. Here's what happened. Look at the 15 minutes here. Started ramping up in the morning, and if you look at here, there were couple of different opportunities for an entry right out of the gates, and I was watching this thing right out of the gates. Look at this first candle here, candle right at 9:29, right? And this one opened 9:31. This one is the first one, and he went from the high 1393 to 1777. I missed that trade. Amazing trade. I was watching this thing right out of the gates in the morning. I was expecting follow through move on this one, and on CBLI, I missed this one too. Look at the 15, look at the 5 on top of the view app coming right up, opening 310. To a high here in the first couple of minutes to $4.90. It's crazy. 159% up right here. But if you take the low of this candle and you take all the way to here, we have a move of 58%, $1.80 move on only two candles. I missed those two trades, and I had to go back to VIVO when I finished everything up. I look at it, started ramping up. I found it on the scanners, and it got me a little bit amazed and I share this thing on I apologize, on Twitter and StockTwist. This handyman right here got me really interested, and I shared this picture on Twitter. Look right there, when it was $12.69 coming down on the 5. So the first hanging man right here on the 5, first red candle, I shared this picture on Twitter and StockTwist, and I started to look for an entry on that particular stock. So I let it run down, and I started to look at the view app here, And if you look at $12.38 here, it's actually $12.39. You can see the daily. I went back and I saw all of the daily levels here. Look at this: $12.38, $13.67, $15.40, and $17.71. I started to look at all of the daily levels there, and I said, well, this one is looking very interesting. If we can get a little bit of support around this area, which we did, a micro bounce, which I told you guys on the stream, that this is interesting here at this daily level, very close to the view app, getting micro support close to the view app, micro support, and then an entry for a follow-through move and get an advantage for that washout. Came down here. This candle, I don't know why it changed, because this one here, this particular candle was green. And if you go back to the stream, you're gonna see it was green. This one here was green. And with one green and second green here under the 50, it printed a bear flag formation with resistance on the 50-minute time frame on the 1 minute. And I told you guys I'm looking for the follow-through move here now. Flush down to 1171, and then we have consolidation. At this time, when it came down here, I started to come out, and I was holding only 1/3 through this consolidation. I really wanted to get out, but I told you guys that I was looking for that test around 1150. And if you see here, this consolidation, it came down here to test the 100. 1145, we had a low at 1141 and 1136. I put my orders at $11.56. So I got out a little before this low here, 1136. Another consolidation on the 50 with on the 100 being resistance, and then followed the move again down here to 1134 coming down. Guys, what I want to do for you is I want to be able to show you and teach you how you can recognize all of these patterns and the entries. I want to give you the value of the framework so you can recognize all of these moves. For these people that are interested in getting all of the value that I have learned, my brain, from 2012 to today, if you're interested, you can get a value of almost $1,000 for just $299 early bird. There will be 2 people that will get a free computer. Everything for you is going to be free. For the first 20, there's chances for 2 people. And the first 10 is going to be 1 hour one-on-one with me. I'm going to take you under my wing, and I'm going to open up a private group on the side to teach you all of the things that I have learned and to take you under my wing so you can take advantage of all of these opportunities that the market provides, give you the value more than you will be expecting to learn. I'm going to take you step by step through all of the process on how to open an account, how to set up indicators, and how to use them, entries and exits, everything. I'm going to lay out the framework for you. If you guys are interested in getting an advantage of this, all of this information and this value, early bird pricing, $299. It's going to be almost $1,000 value because it's going to be valued over $799. 2 chances for first 20 people getting 2 brand new laptops. Update your trading setup, and the first 10 people one-on-one with me. I'm going to take you through the whole thing. So if you guys are interested, I'm going to send you the link through PayPal. I don't have nothing set up on the website, but for all of you that are serious in trying to recognize these moves, that are really trying to change your life and get the freedom that you want. Maybe you're tired out of the job. Maybe you really need a change in your life. If you are interested, I can help you. For those of you that are interested, you can find me at contact@traderscolony.com. I can send you the link to PayPal there, and on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, you can send me a DM. I will send you that link so you can take advantage of this and have the possibility to get a free computer to upgrade your trading setup. For now, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to live your life. Life is short. Don't waste your life chasing things that are not really priority. Take care, enjoy your day, and I see you guys later.